Once upon a time, in a small mountain village, a curious boy named Trevon sat atop a hill overlooking the world. For weeks, he had watched the skies turn gray with smoke as wildfires ravaged the nearby forests. The flames devoured trees, homes, and hope, leaving the villagers desperate for solutions. One night, as Trevon lay beneath the stars, he whispered a prayer into the vastness of the sky. "God, how can we save our world? How can I help humanity stop these terrible fires?" To Trevon's amazement, a soft voice answered, carried on the evening breeze. It was calm, kind, and resonant, like the earth itself speaking. "Trevon, the answers are all around you. Look to the skies, to the winds, and to the knowledge humanity already holds." The next morning, Trevon awoke with the memory of God's words burning brightly in his mind. He began to observe the world with newfound curiosity. As he stared at the streaks of white in the blue sky, he noticed something peculiar about the contrails left by planes. They spread, creating thin clouds that shaded the earth below. Trevon wondered, what if these clouds could cool the air, slow the winds, and dampen the fires? That evening, God spoke to Trevon again in a dream, guiding him further. The contrails show how the skies can be painted. The weather channels track the winds and rains, and geometry teaches you how to direct them. Together, these tools can guide humanity to tame the flames. The next day, Trevon shared his ideas with a wise teacher in his village, who helped him understand the science behind God's message. Together, they discovered contrails and cloud seeding. Planes could be used to release water vapor or particles into the air in strategic patterns, forming artificial clouds to cool wildfire zones. Weather channels. By studying the weather, they could predict wind directions and plan where to release these cooling clouds. Geometry and precision. Using mathematical models, they could calculate the exact locations to release water, retardants, or even reflective materials to control heat and guide the fire's spread. Word of Trevon's vision spread, reaching scientists and leaders far beyond the village. Inspired, they began testing his ideas. Planes created clouds that cooled the air above burning forests. They studied wind patterns to redirect the flames and used drones to release water with pinpoint precision. Together, they found ways to work in harmony with nature to save it. As the wildfires lessened and the skies cleared, Trevon stood on his hill once more, looking at the healed land below. He whispered, "Thank you, God, for showing us the way." And the voice came back, soft and warm. "You have always had the answers, Trevon. Sometimes all it takes is someone brave enough to see them."